Welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys lock screen pattern setting guys. In this video friends we will talk about guys how to set pattern lock in our Infinix phone guys. You want to set your pattern lock in your Infinix phone, so how can you set? In this video friends I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So and open your phone setting to set your lock screen pattern. Then we will scroll it. As you can see guys, your security setting guys, tap here, guys click on your screen lock setting. Then guys you can see your pattern guys, tap here, you can see this notification guys, tap here. So guys you can see cannot at least four dots. So if you take these three dots, so it will not work guys. But you will have to do guys four dots. So example for guys, we will take this pattern, but guys you can take yourself, you can choose yourself guys. Example for guys I am telling you. And guys don't forget your pattern guys. If you forget your pattern guys, you will have to reset your phone, you will have to erase your old data. Okay fans, so fans you can see we have this pattern lock, so we will draw our pattern to unlock our phone. So like that guys, you can set your pattern lock in your Infinix phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys.